In this video, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt for research. Let's get started. First, I click on the main text area where it says Ask Anything. Next, I click on the attachment button to reveal more options. From this menu, I select the Deep Research option. Now I click on the text box that says Get a detailed report and paste my research question. Research the future of remote work over the next 5 years. Identify major trends, opportunities, challenges, and predictions from industry experts. I hit the Send Prompt button on the right to start processing. As the app request runs, ChatGPT takes a moment to read the input and plan out the initial research trajectory. Within a few seconds, it generates an outline titled Future of Remote Work. I review the list and then click the Start button to let the deep research engine begin its thorough analysis. The system displays a progress panel showing exactly what it's working on in real time. Once completed, the extensive research output populates the screen. I click the full screen button on the top right of the result block to expand the generated document. Now we can see a beautifully formatted, comprehensive research paper. It begins with an executive summary detailing how remote and hybrid work are permanent fixtures of the global labor market. As I scroll down, we find the section on major trends in remote work from 2026 to 2031, covering hybrid models, asynchronous collaboration, and decentralized workplaces. Scrolling further down reveals deep dives into employee experience, cybersecurity threats, labor regulation, and a complete analysis of opportunities for employers and workers. It covers productivity gains, talent access, cost savings, and new business services right alongside the challenges and risks like burnout and management complexity. At the bottom, the research provides expert predictions and scenarios, an interactive visual timeline of developments, a technology and tools impact table, and concrete actionable recommendations for employers, policymakers, and workers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.